విద్యా రంగంలోనే అగ్రగామిగా నిలిచిన విద్యా సంస్థ మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్స్. ఫోన్ 227115 మరియు 277022.
Hi, hello, welcome to video 5 trigonometry. In the previous class we discussed about trigonometric ratios. Now you open page number 282, this table, so which has all the values of trigonometry, and this book by heart and read and write 5 times, then you can do the exercise. I already given in second video when I was giving the proof of these values. Once again you revise it, and you all have a habit of going through the examples also. So that's very good habit, and you maintain that only. Now just basing on this we have to do some sums. So I'll give easy technique. Some technique you have to follow to remember values. For example, sin theta, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. This one line you remember. The remaining automatically we can do. For example, sin 0, 0, sin 30, half, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. In the same way as I told, when you get the proof, cos is nothing but the reverse application of this sign. For example, what is sin 0? 0. That will be cos 90. What is sin 30? Half. That will be cos 60. 45 as it is will come. And sin 60 root 3 by 2, that will become cos 30, and cos 0 is 1. So you have to remember, see, that's why I am saying, if you remember sin value, automatically cos also we can get easily. And we have sin 45 is cos 45 same. Sin 0, 0, sin 91. So cos 0, 1, sin cos 90, 1. So in the same way, tan. Tan. Tan 0, sin by cos, 0 by 1, 0. Half by root 2, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3, root 2 gets cancelled, 1, 2 gets cancelled, root 3, 1 by 0, that is infinity, 1 by 0, that is infinity. So cos 90 is 0. So now this is the fundamental table, sin, cos and tan. Now once again say children, sin 0, 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. So I hope you all can practice this well. Now I will go to the exercise, and you have these examples also in this page only, page 4, example 4, 5, 6, you can go through once. And now come to page 284, exercise 11.2, exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2, page 284. What is first sum? Find the value of sin 45 plus cos 45. Sin 45 plus cos 45. As you all know that this is the main table you have to remember. So sin 45 and cos 45 are same. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. We can see the denominators are same. Then automatically what will be the LCM? Same root 2. Now root 2 same. So 1 time. So 1 plus root 2 1 time will go. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by root 2. This is irrational number. To remove that, rationalize both numerator and denominator. 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So the answer is 2 root 2 by 2. The final answer is root 2. Okay children, so once again I am saying, if you know this table, if it is in your mind, automatically simple application only. So that's why focus on the values very well. And the now second sum is cot 45. What is the multiplicative ratio of tan? It is nothing but cot. So tan value, if you reverse it, cot 45 will come. Cot 45 by sec 30 plus secant 30 plus cosec 60. Cosec 60. So you all know that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, multiplicative, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. As you all know, tan theta. Say children, what is cot 45? Tan 45 is 1. Reverse it. Cot 45 is 1 only. By sec 30. Sec is nothing but cos. What is cos 30 here? Root 3 by 2. Now reverse it. Reciprocal. 2 by root 3. Cosec 60. Nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Again reciprocal. 2 by root 3. So answer is 1 by root 3. Answer is 4 by root 3. If you reverse it, 1 by root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. So the answer is root 3 by 4. So once again I am saying, in this way just we have to substitute the values of trigonometric values. Now I am giving this third and fourth as homework, and which I did not say that you do as homework. Next, we'll go for sec square 60 minus tan square 60. So this is first sum children we completed. Now I am going to say third sum. Sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. This is the third sum. Now what is sec 60? The same application as I told before. Sec is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. So what is cos 60? Half. Then what is secant 60? Reciprocal, 2 square. Minus what is tan 60? Root 3. So square it. What is sin square 60? Sin 30? Half. Plus cos 30. Root 3 by 2. So 4 minus 3 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 by, see 1 plus 3 by 4 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 1. So the answer is 1. So this is about, this is third sum. And the next one is fourth one. Two tan square 45. 2 tan square 45 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Now let us go through the table once. What is tan 45? 1. So 2 into 1 square plus what is cos 30? What is cos 30 in the table? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to 2 into 1 square is 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus term and minus term gets cancelled, and finally the answer is 2 plus 0, nothing but 2. Easier now? So what is the technique you have to practice here? Just you have to memorize the values. That simple value, if you till you get practice, just you note down side. Then automatically you will be practicing daily 1 or 2 times. Like tables, if you by heart, total trigonometry it will be in your hands. And the next second one, you try as homework. Just as usual, tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. You try which is correct option. And I am giving this second main as homework. Okay children, next we will go for third sum, which is we have to prove that evaluate page number 285. All of you go through page number 285, fifth sum. Third sum, that is evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Are you ready? So it's very important formula. In intermediate we will get directly compound angles. But here just they give the application of that. Just introduction. Sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees sin 30 degrees. Ready children? See, what is the evaluate? Evaluate means find out the value. How? By substituting the values and doing simplification. So sin 30 root 3 by 2, sin 60. What is cos 30? Same, root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 how much? Half. Cos 60 in the table, half. So root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Again LCM is same. So 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. The answer is 1. So the answer is 1. Again they are asking, what is the value of sin 60 plus 30? This is, think that this is first part in that. And directly they are asking, sin 60 plus 30. What is sin 60 plus 30? How much? 90. Now what is the value of sin 90? 1. The value of sin 90 is 1. So you can observe one thing here. See, sin 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So to prove that they give separately, and we got this LHS is equal to 1 and RHS also 1. This is very important formula. So what we proved now, what did they ask? What can you conclude? I can conclude that. What can you conclude? I can conclude that sin 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Cos 60 sin 30. So this is they want to find out, and the next one same way as it is. Is it right to say cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Same way you apply. You can try by substituting the values. Check LHS, you will get some value. RHS, you will get some value. Are they equal or not? You check it. How I check now? See, for LHS equal to 1, RHS also 1. Will you try? So I am giving this as homework. Now today's homework is page number 285, second main and second sum and fourth sum. Second and fourth sums, very easy. And before that, we have to go through that. So you understood, I think, how much easy trigonometry. And before I gave the values chart, once again reciprocal chart also you can write and practice well. This is today's class. Thank you.